this video, we will be highlighting our reflective sensor unit, which has really become a popular option with the rise of robot picking and placing parts in an automation line. With no human interaction, customers can save placing a person in this non-value position, allowing them to be placed in a more important part of the line. In this particular setup, we are running at approximately 43 feet per minute, and you can see it is, in most cases, probably a little fast for most production lines. The sensor works in conjunction with our PLC-friendly controllers. When the part breaks the laser, the conveyor shuts down until the part is removed. The process is repeated until all of the parts have been picked and placed. By placing your part in an accurate location for robotic loading or unloading, you save time and money, not having to create nesting features.